So this month we got these HQ props in this super bright polycarbonate yellow, neon yellow. They're 5 by 4.3 by 3. And they're titled as a freestyle prop, so I'm kind of excited to try these. Sometimes they say racing. HQ prop generally says freestyle on them. We got this prop locket, which I'm not truthfully sure what it is or what it's supposed to do. It's something with the 2 screws on your props. You unscrew the screws, and you put this thing on and tighten it down, and then you just lift off your screws and they stay there. Kind of pointless in my opinion. I would just put them in a little pile, especially because I'm probably not doing one propeller at a time, but most likely a couple. So we'll see if I even use this thing. See? I don't know if it's focusing. And we got these flash hobbies, which I already have a set of these. I really like them. I got the 6S 1750 kV 2207.5s, which is funny because if I look over here, they're telling me I got the 2204s, so maybe they were out of them. I also supposedly got the 3-inch props, but I didn't get those, so maybe this is just from the wrong box. Maybe they ran out of the 5-inch box ones. These motors are awesome. I like these. A set of those. Back to the Bando t-shirt. And some awesome stickers. crazy looking Yegi patch antenna looking thing. Yeah. Flux capacitor on a flight controller. I didn't know they had USB ports when the flux capacitor came out.